Hey guys, I'll be answering question 5 of week 4. And what the question is, it says, in its first year of operation, Sunland Company recognized 30,000 in service revenue, 8,100 of which was on the account and still outstanding at year end. The remaining $21,900 was received in cash from customers. The company incurred operating expenses of $18,600 of these expenses. 12,880 were paid in cash. 5,720 was still owed on account at year end. In addition, Sunland prepaid 3,270 for insurance coverage that would not be used until the second year of operations. So the first part of the question is calculate the first year's net earnings under the cash basis of accounting and in the first year's net earnings under the accrual basis of accounting. So kind of the big part of this is a kind of two-part question. We need to know what cash basis of accounting is and what accrual basis of accounting is. Accrual basis of accounting is stands for in which companies record in the periods of which the events occur transactions that change a company's financial statements even if cash was not exchanged. And that's going to be the keyword, is the keywords or key phrase, is cash even if cash was not exchanged. So basically what that is that's just going to be the basic income statement where you take your service revenue, which is 30,000, which is right here, of service revenue. And we're going to subtract that by our overall operating expenses, which is 18,600. And when we do that, we get 11,400. So that will be our net income for accrual-based accounting. For cash basis accounting, what that means is companies record revenue only when it receives cash and expenses only if it pays cash. And so as we see here with this question, when it comes to revenues, we received a total of 30,000, but we didn't receive 8,100 of it. So the 21,000 was received in 21,900 received in cash from customers. So that's the number that we're going to use for revenues for cash basis. When it comes to expenses, 12,880 was paid in cash, but 5,720 was still owed by the end of the year. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pay attention to what was were paid in cash, which was 12,880. So we're going to take the total revenue, the revenues of 21,900 subtracted by 12,880, which is the expenses that were paid in cash, and that's going to give us 9,020. Furthermore, we're going to subtract $3,270, which is the insurance coverage that would have been used, would not be used until the second year of operations. Okay? In total, that's going to give us a net income for cash basis of 5,750. Okay? And then the last part of the question is which basis of accounting, cash or accrual, provides more useful information for decision makers? And the answer for this is accrual. Okay? Well, that's all I got for you guys, but I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks, bye.